What's going on, guys? We're here tonight to talk about a couple of different devices that we're going to be featuring. But first, I want to introduce you guys to somebody. This is going to be the new help around here, and he's just as knowledgeable, if not more so, than anybody else. So if you have any questions, feel free to talk to this guy. This will be Matt.
Hi, everybody.
And Matt's going to show you guys a couple of the devices here and let you know a little bit about the features of each one of them.
So first off, we're going to talk about the Ego VV2. The Ego VV2 is a pass-through mod, 1300 mAh battery, variable voltage down here on the side. It also has a battery display, which is also very, very nice. We've got the VV2 and the VV3, which the VV3 is just an upgraded model. It's got variable wattage as well as voltage, same battery size, and it's also pass-through. So very nice mod. Next up we have the SID, the SID. It's basically a single button Vamo. It's 18650 battery. Yeah, 18650 battery. It's 510 threaded. All of these are 510 threaded, so all of the tanks are interchangeable. It's got a removable collar and one button operation. It's very nice. Comes in assorted different colors. We've got gold, blue, green, awesome colors, light colors. And then we have the Acrylamax, which is basically a Z-Max with a custom acrylic case. Also takes an 18650 battery. Comes in a couple of different colors. Very, very pretty, very nice. Nice light mod, single button operation. Beautiful.
Matt took you through some of the tube style devices. We're going to go ahead and look at some of the more unique devices that are a little bit newer to the industry. This first one is a Gripper VV. This is a Smoke Tech product, just like the SID that you saw. This thing is very interesting because it is a plastic case, but it's a much better design than some of your other box style mods. You've got the grips here, obviously, because it's the Gripper. Buttons on the top, so that's kind of a cool feature. It makes it a lot easier to use. Adjustable voltage with a little LCD screen here. But one of the big things that I like about this guy is that the button or the battery is can actually put the lithium ion batteries in there, so it takes an 18650. That's what makes this device very nice. Now this device is a Telemax. It's a Z-Max, but it's got telescopic feature, which is something that's becoming very popular. This allows you to run it all the way down to an 18650 size battery, or you can telescope it all the way down in for 18500, or you can go even further for an 18350. So this is a very versatile device. Now it's single button operation, which is why it's a Z-Max. It's the same inside guts. Got your 8 menus that you can run through. The other thing is this has the removable beauty ring, so you can adjust the airflow that way. This is a really awesome device due to its versatility. Its electronics is tried and true, so you know you're not going to have many problems with that. It's very durable, very well made, but the telescopic feature is what really makes it stand apart. Now the next one we're talking about is the Provari. Now this one is the Provari V2.5, and what that means is it's the newest one. This one in particular has the newest hybrid color scheme that they're running. There's a couple of different color models. There's a red to black fade and a black to white fade, but this blue to green fade is my personal favorite. They also have standard colors: blue, pink, white, copper, so on and so forth. These are going to be sold as a kit here at RVA Vapes, and the kits come with 2 batteries, a wall charger, as well as a Aspire Nova tank. So it's basically everything you need to get going. They also offer enhanced electronics that are proprietary, and it's probably some of the best electronics in any mod you could find. This one in particular has the extra extension cap on it. Normally they run an 18490 battery, basically an 18500. And this one with the extension cap, you can run an 18650. Now if you notice, sitting next to the Z-Max here that's telescoped all the way in, it's pretty much the same size. This has got an 18650 in it, so that's my favorite feature off the top. It has flat wave pulse modulation, which is one of the things that makes this device stand alone from any of its competitors. It's going to give you maximum power no matter how much juice is left in your battery. As long as your battery has juice left in it, you're going to be able to vape at full strength. There's a number of other features, but the biggest thing that I like about this is it's American made. And they come with a 1-year factory warranty and an option for a 2nd year, which is unique in this industry. Very well made, high quality, it's got good weight to it, but it's not bulky like a lot of the other mods. This would be comparable to like an Apple computer versus a Dell, you know what I mean? This is definitely my favorite mod that we have here, hence why I'm running it. It comes with different color screen and button options. You can get red, blue, or green. And there's also some wraps available. So it's a very well-made product, worth every penny in my opinion. And that's why I've been vaping on it for a couple of weeks now.
The other model we have here is the Itaste SVD. A great feature of this is telescopic. Right now I have an 18650, but it does go all the way down to 185 and 18350. It's a variable voltage, variable wattage mod. It's got 3-button operation, which is very nice. It's very easy to navigate through menus. It checks the resistance, just like any of the variable voltage of your coil. It's got a nice LED screen right here on the front. 3 buttons on the side. Button placement's pretty nice. It's very easy to navigate through. Fire buttons on the back, so it's kind of a natural motion for your thumb. And I'm currently running it with a K-Fun 3.1 clone, which is awesome, by the way. And this mod is very, very durable. I've personally dropped this once or twice and it still works awesome. The electronics in it are pretty solid. You can sub-ohm with this. It's not exactly recommended. You know, there are dangers involved with sub-ohming, but I've been able to fire a coil off of this with 0.8 ohm resistance on it. The lowest limit that I found, it won't fire a 0.6, and I'm not sure about the 0.7. So I think about as low as you could go on it would be the 0.8. All in all, it's a great mod. It's nice and hefty in the hand, but it's not overly heavy, so you don't run into that whole hand fatigue issue or anything like that. But it's a great, great mod.
If you want to smoke, that's your business. But if you want to stop, that's ours. And come see us in Richmond, Virginia, RVA Vapes, 6100 West Broad Street.